Ni gori tukuri ale rokorekana ase bunge ya Nyaribari Chache me county ya Kisii ekrabona wananchi bagendrete gukwanira buna nararia baganetie aibweri bagaritangani asa magendro imeye county ya Kisii okwana chinga kecho ni gomo county commissioner Kisii Tom Anjere abaga wakangambia muno cha serikali asumuruberio yo na oteba machikonsi aliabekire na chikobwatwa bwikiranu erio kwenekia buna amagose erio ase ogokonya gukinia amagendro muri keito Mildred Momanyi
Ekero serikali ya Kenya egendete kwirubiria kibwikiranu asokoleta amagenderero bono nigo serikali enene yabekire nsemo egosori yokonyora na gusira gose gambling ilio echie kokonya kolenta ebango gochia serikali gatia yande amange imeyo rugongo rwa Gusii omoyega bwo gusangereria ebirengereri by'abamenyi asekera ebunge nigo okoreka asetwatarira ebunge ya Nyaribari Chache county ya Kisii ilio korabuna omurubulio yo okorekana asebono enseme yo ya Kisii Culture Hall omo county commissioner atebire buna eyene ncherengia serikali ya bwatirie asokoleta amagenderero.
Sisi tunapongeza sana rais kwa kubuni jopo hili na tuko na imani ya kwamba litaweza kustreamline hiyo industry, kwa sababu mara nyingi wananchi wamekuwa wakiuzishwa kwa promotions zingine ambazo they are not regulated, and at the end of the day inakuwa inabinafsisha mtu mmoja. Leo tunasema tunaunga mkono hiyo kwa sababu tuko na imani ya kwamba the proceeds that are going to be realized from the gambling industry will go a long way in enhancing development in our areas. They'll go a long way in providing affordable housing, improving on the other social structures that we have in place, improving on the roads and so forth. So we support this bill.
Geoffrey Malombe noyo mubwabali abachole na serikali iliyokora omoyego yoiga iliyokwenekya buna ebirengereri by'abamenyingo cyagotegererwa bire asateba ikirenga kyabo.
So this industry currently is a 250 to 300 billion industry. All these resources are going to private pockets. Investors who have invested in gambling, lotteries and gaming. So the government found it necessary to come up with this framework so that also Kenyans can participate, and they know that every time I'm putting a bet, for example, of 100 shillings, then we are aware 50% will go back to Wananchi as winnings, and the taxes each Kenyan will pay who has won a betting or the national lottery. Then out of the other 50 which is left, 38% will go to social causes or programs and projects for socio-economic development of this great country.
Nigo ateba gati ya machiko alia abekire eliyokwenekya buna umurobolio yongo chokubwati gwole keboikiranu.
We have now provided, if you go to the slot machines you are seeing the shops, anybody who comes there, you must get their name, write down their ID, and when they visited the slot machine. Anybody who is not complying with the law that no child below 18 years and playing gambling, that we have provided for in the law. We have also provided in the law that nobody shall set a lottery, betting, or any gaming activity or gambling activity next to a school or next to a church. We would want to hear from Wananchi here in Kisii whether there is any other area you want us to prohibit such.